Ngiyabona ke mbukelo weSantomila kanye nawo mbukelo weZansi Africa. Ngithi uyazi umancane indoda engakhulu all the way from Davidson. Mamela ke ngaphambi kwami ngiphethe ikhwaya all the way from Alexandra. Basibize Alex Melodies Gospel Choir. Athi ke nginikeza umphakathi kancane akunikeza umhlabelelo omnandi bese sithi ukukhuluma naye mayelana nekhwaya. Phathwa
Grootman lami
kunjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila njani Grootman?
Phathwa bengithanda ukuthi uzazise kubabukeli beSantomila ne-Clap and Tap industry as a whole.
Okay karata dumelisa bohle ba mameli ba mini wa Clap and Tap ya kuba ngimjalefa wa Alex Melodies Gospel Choir. Thank
Phathwa Alex Melodies Gospel Choir. Iqale nini mhlawumbe wenzwa yini mhlawumbe ukuthi uyiqale futhi?
Kahle Alex Melodies beyikhwaya esikolo kahle beyikhwaya zethu understand sasihlanganisa izikhwaya wana esekhaya understand because I think befocus kakhulu ku writing ku choral music understand ikolweni bafangekho githi music wethu we-Clap and Tap so sawukhulisa music we-Clap and Tap nathi.
Sure.
Yes.
So iqale which year?
Iqale 2018. 2018.
All right now ngiyabona ukuthi ucula neHoly Singers.
Yeah.
Ne-Temple of God. Yeah. Kunzima ngapha nangapha. I-Clap and Tap itsole competition but ukuthi siphilisa abantu. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-audience yala ethembisa i-Ivory iphethe kanjani kanye nekhwaya nabo abaphathi balamanye amakhwaya.
Kuri ngivari ngiyajabula basiphethe grand basika uthando nathi baka uthando siyabonga kakhulu as yamakhwala wana wasiphethe kamnandi akukhuleka grand futhi malama.
Showcase. Yeah. Athi sigijime ku Clap and Tap industry as a whole.
Okay.
Yeah. Isikhathi sama 2000. Okay. Isikhathi sama 2000. Yeah. So ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi mawubhekile isikhathi masitoko sihamba i-Clap and Tap industry isazofana for i-youth ezayo after ama 2000.
Yeah, ngicela isizofana Grootman lami kuri ngivari ne because I think sinabantu abafruit abasibonisa indlela asasizambili thina self understand yabasibonisa indlela I think isazofana. Yeah, ngifana.
But wami ke na abantwana bakho laba ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume nabo ukuthi nakusasa mabayibukela le video le basho ukuthi umphathi uyele wathi ngamanye amagama ngizama ukuthi uthi motivation or mhlambe uthi word of the day.
Okay. Tsheka tshongo bona gore hlezi babusa wane chile every time gore bafethu artsa meka bahlale ba rona ipartsa maka bahlale ba modimo. Yeah, fair. Bese kuba khona nokuthi.
Hayi so uzwile ke ukuthi abazambeli ngenhlakanipho yabo bazambela ngenhlakanipho yaka uNkulunkulu nje kuphela. Mphathi wami I do believe ukuthi ikhwaya nekhwaya organization bakhona kuma social media platforms. Mase ngikufuna mina ngikuthola kanjani?
Ungangitexta ku 0619177429 Facebook Alex Melodies Gospel Choir Instagram same thing kanjalo. Yes siyatholakala.
Alright ke mbukeni uyezwa bathi kayile ka music wabo omnandi mphathi wami athi ngikunikeze unikeza ababukeni into yabo. Thank you boss.